November 11th, 2010. Here we are in the basement of our Bronx residence. We're doing a little electrical repull. Basically, we're taking out the service here. I'm pulling up the main risers up to the upstairs and doing the breakers upstairs, as well as some of the recircuitry in the basement. Previously, they had the old screw shell fuse type here. At some point in time, they upgraded to the breaker box. However, the wires wasn't changed because all the wiring was still the old type, which is the old cloth installation and the old brittle type plastic wires, which was existing tied into the both floors. So I sent the risers up and I repulled everything upstairs, so all the breakers are now relocated upstairs, and then I'll clean up that spaghetti mess you've seen there. The risers go up to the top floor, rewired the basement lighting, and I also caught the living room lighting and brought all the circuits from the living room in a branch circuit and tied it into one box here. And then I'm going to tie that all in at one point when we're finished the rewiring upstairs. Came into the boiler room, put a switch right here for the boiler so that they didn't have to come in here and look for that pull string, which was here. Pulled in a new line for the boiler, refed the boiler unit as well as the switch going upstairs for the boiler. Also redid the lighting for the hallway system over and rewired that apartment there in that basement section of the basement. This was a junction pull point. Changed that junction box and put an outlet because there's going to be a unit there later. Here's the top switch for the boiler emergency on and off, as well as the three-way that we put in for the up and down stairs. We're going to change this section here. This is the one dark spot. I'm going to put a light here. This is the light here for the three-way, which we also got the other combo for the three-way at that point. Moved the fixture from that location and we're going to put it from this location so the light shines down on the stairs. As you can see, it's a lot brighter there, and then it will reflect around the corner and it'll be a better light for that section. This is my storage room for now, and this is where we work from. This is the living room, which we turned into our temporary setup point. Had to do the less chopping in here. Like I said, we rewired this section from underneath by pulling the wires back underneath. And then I'm going to just do a complete pull and tie it back into the panel, which is here. And that's the riser wire for the first floor and the riser wire for the second, which bypasses the first floor, goes up and feeds that panel, which is located in the same position upstairs. This here light fixture is operated here now that we implemented a three-way system that you can come and basically turn that light on and off from two locations. Same thing with this one, which we took the light out so we can patch and plaster there, and converted the single pole system into three ways, more convenient for the homeowner and everybody else. Pretty much. In the bathroom section, there was a single pole GFI combo. Single pole was taken out, put in back with a single pole that controls the overhead light portion of the fan light exhaust combo. And then we have the exhaust on a switch here, separate, so you don't have to turn the light and the exhaust on at the same time. And then you have this one, which controls the light over the vanity, a double switch here, and the GFI for shaving, hair dryer, whatever purposes. And then we duct our system, and I'm chopping to the outside, put a flat vent, and the duct system will go out there. That's bathroom, pretty simple. General purpose outlet. Over here I'm going to pick up the general purpose and put in a box with a combo for the AC. So I'm going to have an AC in there. General purpose lighting. Overhead lighting was repulled, so all the wires that are in now is up to date, up to code and current. Over here we have the bedroom wiring, which we're going to install the arc fault breaker. The main comes up, and I temped everything out for now until we situate that, put the panel stable. Everything is in temp status while the plaster man goes around. And here is a 7-Eleven overhead. The top switch controls the light. The other switch controls the light in the closet. Hey, Jules! We got Jules over here chopping at the light feed for the closet. Over here we have another combo for the nightstands. We're going to put in a special outlet combo there. Remove the old AC outlet that was here and just put a combo there. chopped away at the concrete wall till we hit the ceiling where we could fish over, bypass the light, and come overhead and connect to this outlet in this room. And that's about the gist of this remodeling project for this floor. We did the same thing upstairs, so can't show you the same thing twice. It's just imagine the same thing going on the next floor. TNT Home Improvements 1.